Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's solve some MCQs regarding the preparation of ECAT+NET+, Federal Board, Punjab Board, Aga Board. Especially I have selected this one from the Federal Board's past paper. We have done first 10 questions. There are next 10. Our question number 11 reads as tan square theta minus sec square theta is equal to what? It's really simple one. Or utilize identity of tan square or sec square, we arrive at the result. Tan square is given by sec square theta minus 1. This one same. sec square theta cancelled. What is our answer? Minus 1. Minus 1. Or one can utilize the identity for sec square. Tan square theta minus sec square theta. Tan square theta, sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here tan square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta cancelled out. We have minus 1. We have minus 1. If anybody wants to flex his or her muscles, there is another little method to this one. Whatever the case is, try to convert all the trigonometric function in sine and cos. Tan can be written as, tan square can be written as sine square over cos square. And sec square is equal to 1 over cos square. Denominators are homogeneous. Write cos square one time. No transition in the numerator. That is, take minus common. It will become 1 minus sine square theta over cos square theta. 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square over cos square. The result is again minus 1. The result is again minus 1. That is our question. First MCQ, 11th MCQs. Minus 1 is the answer in that case. Minus 1 is the answer in that case. Moving to question number 2 regarding inequalities. Inequalities concerning mathematical induction type proof. Here it is given that n square is greater than n plus 3 for integral values, for all integral values of n. Option number A is n less than or equal to 3. And less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 means from 3 to left hand side. 3 to left hand side. If we put 0, 0 square is greater than 0 plus 3. It is not true. It is not true. So we discard our option number A. What about option number B? That is B, n is greater than or equal to 3. If we put 3 square, let me write complete this inequality as well. N square is greater than n plus 3. Put 3 square, 3 plus 3. 9 is greater than 6. Cool, it is valid. It is valid. So our option number B is the right option in that case. Option number B, A is the right option in that case. N square is greater than n plus 3 for all integral values of whenever n is greater than or equal to 3. If we sketch the range of this one or positive domain of this function, so that's our 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 including 3 towards right hand side, that is the possible graph for the domain of this inequality. 3 inclusive, greater than means towards right hand side, less than means towards left hand side. It is greater than including 0. I have shaded 3 as well, towards right hand side. Okay, moving question number 3. We are asked to find the range of the probability function. Sometimes it is also called density function of the probability. Range of the probability function, a range of probability function. It is given by 0 less than or equal to pp is less than 1. That is the required interval 0 to 1. Means 0 is included as well as 1 is included. Option number 1 is not correct because it's 0. It means excluding 0 as well as 1, as well as 1. So it is not our option. It is known as open interval. Open interval. Open interval. Okay. What about option B is the right option that we have already done. What about this? Let me explain these intervals. 0 and 1. It means semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval. It means 0 is included, 1 is excluded. 0 is included, but 1 is excluded, sorry. Small bracket means open, not excluded. Big bracket means included. Look at it, it is closed interval. 0 is inclusive as well as 1. In that case, 1 is not inclusive. What about third? It is known as semi-open. Semi-open. 0 is excluded, 1 is included. Semi-open. Semi-open. Options are the good one to be explained. Open interval, pure open interval, purely closed interval, semi-closed, semi-open, semi-closed, semi-open. Okay, cool. Moving towards the next question. In the expansion a plus x raised to n, the number of elements a plus x raised to 2n if n belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural numbers. For natural numbers, overall exponent is natural number, then we are in a position to guess the number of the terms. If power is fraction or negative, if power is fraction or negative, then it has infinite term, then it has infinite term, then it has infinite term. Number of terms, in case of natural numbers, natural power is given by number of terms is equal to power plus 1. Power plus 1. What's our power? 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. So the number of the terms, if n belongs to natural number, that is the option in that case. However, no light has been shed on n, n must be a natural number. Otherwise, this is not valid. Okay, cool. Question number next. 15. R factorial times NCR. R factorial times NCR. Look, what is formula for combination? N factorial over R factorial times n minus R factorial. Cancel out. What remains? N factorial over n minus R factorial. This is formula for the permutation. This is equal to NPR. This is equal to NPR, where n is always greater than or equal to R. N and R both belongs to whole numbers. Both belongs to whole number. So that is the right option in that case. If we multiply the combination with R factorial, it is tantamount to NPR. How? R factorial, NCR is given by n factorial over R factorial times n minus R factorial. R factorial cancel. What remains? N factorial over n minus R factorial. It is the formula for NPR, for permutation. Permutation of R elements from n. Okay, cool. Next, the solution of cos x minus 1. Solution of cos x is equal to minus 1. And interval is also given to us. 0 to 2 pi means closed interval including 0 as well as 2 pi. And x is equal or cos inverse of minus 1. The angle is 180 degree or pi radian. You are familiar from the little bit table. Value of cos 80 degrees or cos pi radian is equal to minus 1. So option number A is the right option. Here, a good identity, if utilized properly, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x or cos is equal to pi upon 2. Is equal to pi upon 2. We are asked to find value of sine inverse x, shift cos there, cos inverse there. Sine inverse x is equal to pi over 2 minus cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x. And there must be another restriction on x. X must belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Then this identity is valid. Otherwise not. Otherwise not. There must be mentioned. These are low level books or first year level books. They have nothing to do with the clarity or domain and range. That is the Achilles heel of most mathematicians. X must belongs to minus 1 to 1 because we are familiar. The range of sine and cos function is from minus 1 to 1, including minus 1 as well as 1. Okay, cool. The final three questions regarding ascribed circle. Radius of the ascribed circle opposite to the vertex A. Ascribed radius. Radius of ascribed circles. They are R1 S minus means opposite to the vertex A. Opposite to the vertex A. Opposite to the vertex A. R2 delta over S minus B. Opposite to the vertex B or small b. R3 delta over S minus C. Opposite to vertex C. Opposite to vertex C. And in that case we are asked to find radius of the described circle opposite to the vertex C. So C is the right option in the case. Delta over S minus C. Delta over S minus C. Here we have given some options and we are asked to find area of triangle. Area of triangle. Number one is 1 over 2 AB times sine beta. It is incorrect. Why? Because product of AB, then there must be sine gamma. Sine gamma. Whichever the side missing, we have to take angle according to that missing side. So option number A is not right option. What about 2? 1 over T, 1 over 2 BC sine 1 upon 2 BC sine alpha. It's correct one. Look, B times C, whatever, which side is missing? A, and angle is according to A. This is the area of triangle. This is the area of triangle. This is the area of triangle. If you utilize these formulas properly, you can easily prove sine law. Let's see. 1 over 2 is equal to AB sine gamma is equal to 1 AB, C is missing gamma. 1 over 2 BC, A is missing sine alpha is equal to 1 over 2 AC and sine beta. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 throughout cancel. Divide by ABC, you will get sine gamma over C. Here sine alpha over A, and here sine beta over B. Sine beta over B. This is your required sine law. This is your required sine law. So 3 to 4 type of for area of triangle formula present. This is the case when two angles and the included angle is given. Included angle BC alpha is always included between B and C. Two sides and their included angle is given. That is the formula for area of triangle. That is 1 over 2 AB times sine gamma, or 1 over 2 BC times sine alpha, or 1 over 2 AC times sine beta. AC times sine beta. Okay. Moving towards final question. The range of the chord function. Mostly writers write real numbers, that is minus infinity to infinity, but that is not the case. We have to drop 0. Though open interval means we have excluded only 0. We have only excluded 0 because 0 does not belong to the range of chord. 0 does not belong to range of chord. Oh, however, we can select R, but it must be the right. It must be written in that fashion. R minus excluding 0, or that is the way to write range for the chord function. A range of the chord function. Whatever is given to us, we have to work within that frame. So our option number A is correct in that case. It's by tiny effort for you guys. Let's see and find out what I have next for you. It's all by itself. Next.